In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. This is a fairly straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure success. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. You probably already have it installed, but if not, you can quickly download it from the App Store. Once the app is installed and open, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account details. This includes your email and password associated with your account. After you've entered your information, press Next to proceed. Next up, the app may prompt you with a Get Started button. Go ahead and tap on that to begin exploring the Teams app. You'll be taken to the home page, which is your central hub for all things Teams. From here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Communities. This is where you'll manage your teams and groups. Once you've clicked into Communities, it's time to start creating your own team. You should see an option that says Create My Own. Go ahead and select that to initiate the creation process. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in the name or title you want for your group. Be thoughtful about this step. The group name is often the first impression new members will have, so try to pick something that reflects the purpose or function of your team. After you've decided on a name and entered it into the field provided, find the Create button and click on it. You're almost done. Now after you hit Create, you might see a prompt to click Done. This is the final step in wrapping up the creation process. And just like that, you've successfully created a team in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. Now you're ready to start adding members, setting up channels, and managing your team's activities all from the palm of your hand. Using the Teams app on the go is a fantastic way to stay connected with colleagues and be productive no matter where you are. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Creating a team in Microsoft Teams is a powerful way to enhance collaboration and productivity. Whether for work, study, or community engagement, be sure to explore all the features available in Teams to make the most of your new team environment. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more useful tech tips and tricks. Happy teaming!